gonna go. Green cloud. The hemp wrap. Oh yeah, we're keeping it herbal here at Erwan. Drop it back right in there. Keep it herbal, folks. One nation under ganja, keeping us sane. United we brand. That green cloud. Oh yeah, there's a roaster. What's up, man?
I wish I could hit that right now.
Yeah, that's right.
My best buddy that from New Jersey, he died like 2 Fridays ago. So his friends there still call me Trevor. He got the poetry downtown and all the things. And so I call my friends in Minnesota, and they all think I'm making this shit up. So like,
Oh, yeah.
why would I do that? They just think I'm crazy now. So,
Yeah, sorry.
I mean,
Yeah.
I'm not looting. The guy died.
Why don't they believe it? Because he lives somewhere else?
No, because I'm always like, I don't know, for some reason.
Where do you live, in New Jersey?
Yeah, we sort of ran around with the doors on the van, 2 doors on the van, all high school, college. If he came around the corner, I wasn't far behind. If I came around the corner, he wasn't far behind. We lived in Snowbird. We skied there the whole season. I worked the grill up there. drove to Florida doing acid. Went to Lake George together and stuff.
Is he having a service in New Jersey?
Nah, they had a fucking video service thing.
Wow.
Everyone's like crying. So I called the sons, like 3 sons. I said, dude, what the hell is that shit? He's my best friend.
Wow.
We never cried. Well, we made other people cry, but
Yeah.
I said, we just had fun, dude.
Yeah.
I told him, you never mention us? He goes, no. I said, oh yeah. I said, we're the dark side.
There you go. There's your proof.
I said, welcome to the dark side, dude. We do the real stories.
Yeah, have them come out here.
I'll go see those guys. Tell the stories. I told them some stories, more stories. Yeah. Just put me in the trash can, dude. I don't want no video service. Fuck that shit. You can't even hear anybody talk. They're all mumbling. Everyone's crying. It's like, good lord.
Yeah. That's Yeah, the war stories are what it's all about.
We had a fucking blast, dude. We drove all over San Francisco. That's where we moved to. Went to all the fucking hippie places. Copper Petty. Every place that was cool. Red Jack Kerouac. One time we were in Buffalo, right? No, Niagara. We were in Niagara Falls. We pulled this place, it's all covered with pines, beautiful place. We light up this big joint, right? We're supposed to joint. This door opens and the cop comes out, so we have to put down. And then, so the door opens and another cop comes out. What the fuck? Another cop comes out. Like, more cops come out. Like, what the hell's going on? We were in the police station parking lot.
Oh.
Well, I mean, it's hard to tell. Yeah. So it says, like, you know, Mean Young Dickie? They go, no. So you're in the world now. Daryl? They don't know Daryl. It's like, what the fuck, EB? The first day he moved from out New Jersey, he came down the parking lot and I bought a pack of cigarettes. Some Marlboro. And he bummed one for me. And I bummed the rest away and I lit one and burned a hole in my shirt. That's the last time I ever bought a pack of cigarettes. And he says, like, hey, I'm from New Jersey. And that's what we call him EB, English Bill, because he's only an Englishman. And all our names were Bill. He's English Bill.
He moved to Minnesota from New Jersey?
Yeah, I was the first person he went to in the parking lot. First day of school, he was on the parking lot, finds me right away.
What grade was that?
Like, senior.
Oh, wow.
No, 1 year before that. Junior. So, junior. So, the first thing he says, like, to me, he's like, gonna buy half pound of weed? Oh, hell yeah. We were in this house, I don't know if I ever bought it, but we smoked the whole thing.
Good weed?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
Good enough.
After that, like, we were like, it was so funny too, because go to my house and go to my mom, like, Ron's upstairs. She goes, yeah, just stop up there. You know, who the fuck just stops up with a, an invite?
Jersey.
Yeah, Jersey. Yeah.
Jersey style.
We skied Green Lake. We water skied Green Lake. We went to Ford Plant and had these bonfires.
Yo, yo.
Daryl, my friend Daryl, we were in Slew Checks, and Dickie got mad because he's supposed to be the healthy one. Dickie goes, I'm supposed to go first. I go, I know, Dick.
Check.
Yeah, I got one of those crossfire things today.
Cross contaminated. Sorry, Rook.
He knew the job was dangerous, he took it on.
Yeah, he knew. He's been in a lot of those battles.
So me and Daryl and Dan and Evie were all the high plains drifters. And we wore sport coats and went down the high plains and drifted around, drank way too much beer. Spray painted underneath the railroad tracks.
Oh, there you go. So the Rattler's got a bunch of shows online you can fire up?
No, he's live online.
Oh, okay.
Live streaming KFC 88.1.
88.9?
Huh?
88.9?
Yeah. He's pretty good this morning. He's doing the whole COVID thing. It works for him.
Oh yeah, that's right up his alley.
There's any life up there. Any life at all? Let me know. Let me know. He took all his dead skin, dead hair, made it a great big ball.